Hi, myself, I'm Chaitanya. I'm studying second year BJC in MBS Degree College. I want to say a few tongue twisters. She sells by the seashore. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. We surely shall be see the sunshine soon. Can a can, as a canner can. A royal warrior will rarely worry why we rule. I thought of thinking of thanking you. Four fine fresh fish for you. A a black big beer on sad and black big rug. Nice night, nine nurses nursing nicely. How much dew does a dewdrop does? The bottom of the butter bucket in the bottom of the bucket. No need to light a night on a light night tonight. Tommy tossed his 12th tooth when he turned two times. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Don't trouble the trouble. If you trouble the trouble, trouble troubles you. The big fat cat sat on the rat. Double bubble gums, bubble double.
This is Mansa. I am from MCBT of BSc first year from MBS College. Today I am going to say few tongue twisters. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter bitters. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. Fred, Ted bread and Ted, Fred bread. The cheap shop sold cheap shops. If two witches would watch two watches, which witch would watch which watch? I fish, you were a fish in my dish. Sit a bit, sit still till I kill the fly. Never trouble, about trouble, until trouble troubles you. Thanking you.
Let's start tongue twisters. Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled peppers. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. We surely shall see in the sunshine in soon. Four pin fresh fishes for you. Fuzzy Wizzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wizzy has not hair. Fuzzy Wizzy was not. Fuzzy was she. How can I clean a cream in a clean cream can? You know New York, you need New York. You know you need unique New York. Nine nice night nurses nursing nicely. Leather never weather better. How much would check if you would check would. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Myself Tejasvi from BJC second year. I am saying some tongue twisters. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some more bitter butter to make the bitter butter better. Once a fellow meet a fellow in a field of beans, said the fellow to a fellow. If a fellow ask a fellow, can a fellow tell a fellow what the fellow makes? The problem of solving a problem is not a problem. When a problem solves a problem without any problem, then the problem is not at all a problem. Whether the weather is hot, whether the weather is cold, we will weather the weather. Whatever the weather, whether we will take it or not. The bottom of the butter bucket is the buttered bucket bottom. I saw a kitten eating the chicken in the kitchen. Kitty caught by the kitten in the kitchen. Double bubble gum bubbles double. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 60 silly sisters singing simply. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. 6 sticky skeletons. 4 fresh fine fishes for you. I surely shall see the sunshine soon. Barber baby bumble and a bumblebee. A black fat cat sat on the rat. Billy blows a big blue bubble.
The weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, we will be together whatever the weather is, whether you like it or not. A twister of twist once twisted a twist. A twist that he twisted was a three-twisted twist. If in twisting a twist, one twist should untwist. The big fat rat sat on the cat. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter bitter. If I put it in my batter, I will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter that would make my batter better. Double bubblegum bubbles double. Belly blows big blue bubble. I wish to wash my wristwatch. 4 fine fresh fish for you. She should shun the shining sun. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Sunshines on the shop signs. She sells seashells on the seashore. Flora's freshly fried fish for you. Chef cooks cupcakes quickly. Thank you.
New York, 3 free throws, red leather, yellow leather, red bed, blue bed. She sells seashells on the seashore, a proper copper coffee pot. Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. Comical economics. Swiss wristwatches. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. She should shun the shining sun. The big, beautiful blue balloon burst. A shapeless sash sags slowly. Smelly shoes and socks. Shock sisters share a single shingle tin. New York is unanimous. New York is unanimously, universally unique. Cook cupcakes quickly. Flora's freshly fried fish. Buy blueberry biscuits before bedtime. Willie's really weary. So, this is the sushi chef. We surely shall see the sunshine soon. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Betty bought a bit of butter to his brother.